Oh, hey guys, what's up? It's me, Jacob. We're back again with another video, and today it's like a beautiful day. I mean, like, I don't know, like what did you say, like 65 degrees out? Hey? Canada, eh? Alright guys, so now we have another video. Like I said, this one was gonna come out, and we got the brake pads and rotors, and yeah. Alright guys, so here's the stuff. We got Hawk brake pads. Oh, wait, hold up guys. So actually instead we got these Durlast gold brake pads, and yeah, they're pretty nice. They actually fit my truck too. They didn't have weird sides on them. But yeah guys, they're around $40. You get a lifetime warranty, so basically they're free each time you get them. That blue plastic peel, you take that off and it has a nice black finish on it, and they're just really nice looking too. And yeah, they're good for a good price. So yeah, there you go. Then we also got the rotors and EBC brakes. These are what they, those aren't supposed to be in there yet, but I mean, they're in there right now. And these are really nice slotted and dimpled rotors, and yeah. So okay guys, let's get this truck moved around and let's get it on everything, jacks and everything, and we'll get started. Alright guys, now that we have everything situated, it's just really 2 easy steps to take off the caliper itself. So you basically, what you want to do is you want to take off this guy right here, where for us it's a 3/4, and then the same thing for down here, right here. And then this caliper should come off, and then you can get easy access to your rotor.
Take the caliper bolt.
Yeah, true. Alright guys, so now once you get those 2 bolts off, then you go ahead, just want to use some force, and then you want to try to knock this off using the handy dandy WD-40 as usual. It's a little bit acting up, but I mean, my dad would still love it if WD-40 would decide to sponsor him. Alright guys, so now we got one of the rotors off, and this is what I was talking about. We need to get that. We need to get new rotors on it. I don't know about brakes though, or brake pads. I'm sorry I stepped on the WD-40. I'm sorry.